Hello everybody, today we make zucchini flower carbonara. Put the gas on and we start with the guanciale. But I'm not using too much oil because the guanciale, it's fat. The only thing I want like this, only a little bit. And this is the guanciale. So you know got a guanciale, you can use the bacon, prosciutto or pancetta. Now this I want to cook it, gotta be nice and crispy. Okay, now the guanciale is ready. Look how beautiful it look, nice, all the fat out. And what I do, I turn the gas off and I put over here on the side. Now it's time for the pasta. The water boil and I use salt, 2 teaspoons, and we cook the pasta. Okay, spaghetti. To make sure when you cook pasta, they use a lot of water. But you don't use too much water, the pasta stick together. Now the pasta start to cook, and I want to take the guanciale out, but make sure to not take the fat out. Okay, because this we need, because we gotta saute the pasta together. All right, look how beautiful, nice. The guanciale, all the fat it's out. Okay, inside it's already nice, beautiful, clean. I take everything out, and we got this. I want to take out like that. Okay, and like this, only the flour we do. Now we prepare the eggs and the pecorino cheese, pecorino romano, and we break 1 egg. Okay, good. And we put it right over here in this bowl. And now we break the second one, but I gotta use only the yolk. Another one. Okay. And now what I gotta do, I gotta wash my hand. Okay, now we scramble the eggs really, really good. We use black pepper. Okay, we scramble this now with the black pepper. And now we use the cheese. Oh, look how nice, creamy. If we need more, I got more. Okay, look how nice. Okay, the pasta is done. Turn the gas off for the pasta and let's pick it up. Still got a little pasta water inside over here. It's no problem, you need a little water. Okay, now we saute the pasta over here. And we use a little pasta water. Because the pasta is really al dente. And we cook a little bit together. You got all the fat of the guanciale. A little bit more water. That's enough. Okay, now the pasta is done. We turn the gas off. You leave cloth a little bit. After you put the eggs inside, and you turn the pasta, it come out nice creamy. So the gas is on, the eggs it come scrambled eggs. And we make this right away. Okay, no one make scrambled eggs like I said before. Okay, we got the rest over here, and we give a nice mix of that. Nice. Okay, now it's time for the guanciale. And we give a good mix with the guanciale, everything. We need a little bit more water on the top to make it nice. Look. Okay. And we give a nice mix now like that. And now it's time my zucchini flower. And this you not gotta cook too much. The only thing I give a little turn, that's it. Okay, now we give a nice mix with the flour, with the zucchini flower, everything together. Okay, now it's all done. It's time of the taste. Zucchini flower over here, little extra pecorino cheese on the top. Let's taste it. It's so good. I hope somebody make. I know everybody like this. Thank you very much, and we see next time.